Hello, Mingalaba. Welcome to Love Myanmar. My name's Harriet. I'm a native English speaker learning Myanmar very slowly. But hey, slowly's better than not at all, right? Today, I'd like to share with you a handy grammar construction that you can hopefully take away and recycle with whatever verbs you need for your conversations in Myanmar. Our base is it's not that I don't plus a verb. So think of a sentence like, it's not that I don't love you. In a real conversation, these types of sentences often have another follow-up sentence, don't they? Like, it's not that I don't love you, but I think we should wait, etc., etc. But how about today we just focus on getting more confident with that first part. It's not that I don't plus verb. And this is one way we can say it in Myanmar. Ma verb lo mahopabu. It's not that I don't, verb. Ma verb lo mahopabu. So, what would that sentence look like? Do you remember the verb to love in Myanmar? Chitte, that's right, to love. Chitte. So let's put that base verb, chit, without the D particle, in the gap. Machitlo mahopau. Your turn? Machitlo mahopau. Great. And if we wanted to add a pronoun, we could say Mengo machitlo mahopau. You may have come across this pronoun me before, meaning you. It's used if either the person speaking or the person being spoken to is a guy. But it's very, very informal and only used between people who are intimate friends or peers. So if you're not sure, it would be best to perhaps use something else to avoid accidentally shocking anyone. But in this particular conversation, I think it's safe to say these two would probably be using me. Would you like to give it a go? Mengo machitlo mahopau. Nice. Let's try another one. How could you say, it's not that I don't miss you? So we'll need the verb to miss somebody. You got it? Triyare, to miss somebody. Triyare. Now, if we look at the breakdown of this verb, it's actually made up of a noun, tri, and the main verb, yare. So, to miss somebody, triyare, is like saying to get a remembrance of them coming to your mind. And the reason we want to know the breakdown is because using our new grammar formula in the sentence we want to make, it's not that I don't miss you. It's only the main verb part of the verb that goes in the gap between ma and lo. And the noun part of the verb, tri, comes first. So it would look like this. Mengo tri mayalo mahopau. You give it a go. Mengo tri mayalo mahopau. That's it. Let's check out one small modification we can make to our formula to give us a few more options. And that is, it's not that I don't want to verb. All we need to do is add the auxiliary verb je. So our formula is now me verb jen lo mahopau. It's not that I don't want to verb. Can you say it? Me verb jen lo mahopau. Yes. Shall we try it out? What if we want to say, it's not that I don't want to meet you? Using that formula, can you work it out? We'll need the verb to meet, right? That's right, tuere, to meet. Tuere. So how would we say our sentence? မထွေးကျင်လို့မဟုတ်ပါဘူး You're doing great. Let's try out our new formula in 3 sentences. First up, imagine you're talking to a woman who's a bit older than you, so we can call her Ama, or Big Sister in Myanmar. And we say to her, it's not that I don't want to help you. To help is kunire. I'll give you a moment and you can pause the video, see if you can work it out. Let's check. My friend May Thu is kindly going to give us the pronunciation.
Ama ko makuni chin lo ma hope ba bu.
Thanks, May Thu. Listen to May Thu once more, then repeat after her.
Ama ko makuni chin lo ma hope ba bu.
Amao makuni chin lo ma hope ba bu. Excellent. Number 2. It's not that I don't want to try. To try or to make an effort is jozare. Let's not bother with a pronoun here. Can you make the sentence? Pause if you need. Okay, here we go. May Thu?
Ma josa chin lo ma hope ba bu.
Woo! Ma josa chin lo ma hope ba bu. Let's repeat after May Thu.
Ma josa chin lo ma hope ba bu.
Great! Number 3. Ooh, getting a bit more advanced. It's not that I don't want to join you for lunch. Lunch is neleza, and to join someone for a meal is light sare, literally follow and eat. So remember the main verb sa is the one we'll put between the ma and lo. Hit the pause button, grab all your jigsaw pieces and make your sentence. All right, May Thu, what have we got?
Ne le sa lai ma sa chin lo ma hope ba bu.
Neleza lai masajan lo ma hope ba bu. Could we hear it once more, May Thu?
Ne le sa lai ma sa chin lo ma hope ba bu.
Wonderful. Nice work. Finally, are you ready for one last comprehension challenge? I'm going to give you 2 Myanmar sentences that use our new formula. See if you can listen and work out the meaning. Number 1. Just listen first.
Ain thong ma pyu chin lo ma hope ba bu.
Now again with the words on the screen.
Ain thong ma pyu chin lo ma hope ba bu.
Would you like another clue? Okay, here's the verb. Ain dang pyude means to get married. So what's this daughter saying to her dad?
Ain thong ma pyu chin lo ma hope ba bu.
Yep. Dad, it's not that I don't want to get married. Exactly. Okay, and finally, ooh, this is pretty tricky, but let's give it a go. Listen first.
Ngwe long long lao lao ma sha chin lo ma hope ba bu.
Now again with the text on the screen.
Ngwe long long lao lao ma sha chin lo ma hope ba bu.
Would you like some hints? Here's some of the vocab.
Ngwe long long lao lao ma sha chin lo ma hope ba bu.
And the translation is... It's not that I don't want to earn enough money. Yes! How did you go? Did you get an approximation? Top marks for giving it a shot. Thank you for joining me for this episode of Love Myanmar Grammar. Practice a lot. Find someone to try out your new sentences with straight away. And of course, come back to review the video as many times as you need until it feels really easy and comfortable. Let's keep studying together next time. နောက်တစ်ခါကြာရင်သူတကွာဆက်လေးလာကြမယ်နော်